Hi, how's everybody doing today? You're here with Harlem and the Crone Wolf Network, and on today's installment, we're going to be sitting down and talking about scripting and how to use it for manifesting. And today's episode will be more generally based on how we break down what we want into a script. So, for starters, be clear and precise onto what you want, meaning don't say I have money. Give a specific amount. Don't say I want a job. Give a career. So on and so forth. So for the example that I brought for you guys today, I'm going to start if I want a $10,000 monthly income. So how we derive that into scripting is the first thing you got to do is whatever you wish you want, you eliminate the word altogether and you replace it with have, with active words like have and am, present tense. So that portion of the scripting gets converted to I have a $10,000 monthly income instead of I wish. What you also want to do is focus on how it would feel to have it in fruitation. So how would you feel with like $10,000 monthly income? You'd feel, happy and grateful. So you take that portion and you add it to the sentence along with the derivative. So you combining it together would be I am happy and grateful to have a $10,000 monthly income. And the whole point in scripting is to keep writing this out, to send the vibrations out to the universe. And what it's important to do is it's a reaffirmation for yourself, because the more times you write it, the more times you believe it. Like I said, it's very important to be very specific and grounded into what you want. Also, like I've touched on in other videos, what's very important in scripting is that you have to sit down and, give a gestation period. Not everything's going to happen as quickly as you want it to. You just have to put the energy out to do it. And what scripting would do is to send those positive vibrations out to make those things manifest for you quickly. How would it happen? I'm not going to get $10,000 off the rip. I can tell you that. But it will start to open the job opportunities and career paths and gateways to get there. It's hard to see when something is coming into fruition right away. Sometimes you have to wait a minute to realize it. It could be something small like getting, your first offer to a job, or, getting a check back that you forgot about years ago from the comptroller, or whatever it is, whatever you need. The important thing is to put the energy out there and to be specific. And even then, you have to be more so specific as to what it is and how you want to get it. Because you could say I want $10,000, and then how are you going to get it? You could either get it by dropping your lap, you could get it by working for it, or you could get it, after a settlement of getting hit by a car. So you ask for it, really be, if you were all that specific, you can avoid those terms and misconstruities. But the most important part of sigil and scripting is to, once you actually put the energy out there, take it off your mind, do something else.